pilot uses the fire to guide the plane down onto the runway. It cuts through the thick blanket of smoke and touches down safely on the runway.
It's the fucking pharmacy!
They can all do that. Let's do it.
They already know.
We have a visual on Northeast's landing.
Listen.
We're following the fire trail after the guy. If they can do it, so can we.
The other planes line up to land. The Northeast Airlines flight grinds to a halt, and the pilot breathes a sigh of relief.
Any landing you can walk away from is a good one. That's great.
The doors open, and the emergency inflatable slides are deployed.